In this video, I show you how to do the knee to chest exercise, how to get the most out of it, things to avoid, and watch the video to the end to make sure you can see some of the other extra added exercises that you can do when stretching your hip. To perform the exercise, start by lying on your back with your head comfortably resting on a cushion. Bring the knee towards your chest, making sure that your clothing is not restricting the movement. It's helpful if you feel a stretch, and it's not helpful if you feel any pinching or squashing in your inner groin region. And if you do, turn the leg out and bring the knee out to the side, and this should make it more comfortable for you. When you're doing the exercise, also think about your breathing. So as you bring the knee up towards your chest, you want to exhale, and by relaxing your rib cage by breathing out, you should be able to bring the knee a little bit closer in towards your chest. Hold each stretch for at least 3 seconds and anywhere up to 30 seconds. To enhance this hip stretch, bend the other knee, and again, lift your knee up towards your chest, and then rotate and rest your ankle over your opposite knee. Push the knee away so that your hip is opening up and rotating away from you. Hold that for a few seconds, and then hold your opposite thigh and your knee and pull both up towards your chest. As you do that, you'll probably feel a much deeper stretch in your glutes. If you want to stretch your hamstrings from this position, bring the knee up towards the chest, but only to a right angle. Interlock your fingers and hold your thigh, and then straighten your knee as far as you can so that you feel a stretch down the back of your leg through the hamstring muscle. Hold that for a few seconds and relax and repeat. The knee to chest hip stretch can also be performed on your front. Bring the knee forwards and take the other leg back, dropping your body weight back so that once again your knee comes towards your chest. What you can then do is bring your chest down over your knee and stretch out using your arms to take some of the weight through your upper body. Don't forget to exhale into the end of the movement and move the knee out to the side if you feel any discomfort in your groin. If you lie on the edge of your bed or the edge of a sofa, you can drop one leg off whilst you perform the knee to chest exercise. And this will not only stretch the glutes on this side, but also stretch the hip flexors on the opposite side. And what you can do to enhance that is contract your glutes on this side so that you're actively trying to bring your leg down towards the floor as you pull your knee into your chest. That brings us to the end of the video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button, and remember the key points. Have some clothing that allows you to stretch. If you feel any pinching or squashing in your groin, then turn your hip out so you open the hip and stop the squashing feeling. If it continues and persists despite doing that, then stop doing the stretch and make sure you go and see a medical professional for an assessment. You can do the exercise in different ways as I showed you, but it's really helpful if you exhale at the end of the movement to allow you to move into the stretch a little bit further. Hold each stretch for anywhere between 3 and 30 seconds. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.